Do you ever walk into a room and feel instantly inspired by its bold, edgy design? That mix of raw, industrial elements with sleek, modern touches? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into industrial interior design, a style that's all about making a statement without sacrificing comfort. I'm going to show you how you can bring this look into your living room, kitchen, and bedroom, using some striking examples that will make you want to start redecorating right away. And by the end of this video, you'll have some solid ideas on how to bring that sleek industrial look into your own home, no matter the size of your space or your budget. Let's kick things off in the living room, the space where you relax, entertain, and spend most of your time. Imagine walking into a room that feels open, yet intimate, edgy, yet inviting. That's the magic of modern industrial interior design. Just look at this living room. It's a perfect example of how you can achieve this balance. Notice how the walls are kept neutral with a concrete finish and a wood veneer wall panel in the entertainment area. This isn't just about keeping things simple. It's about letting the other elements of the room shine. The large, floor-to-ceiling windows are framed in sleek black metal, letting in a ton of natural light, while maintaining that industrial feel. This is key to ensuring the room doesn't feel too dark or heavy. Now let's talk about the furniture. This sectional plush sofa isn't just a place to sit. It's a statement piece that contrasts beautifully with the hard, industrial edges of the room. But what really ties the space together is the sleek, thick circular coffee table in the center that's worth $189. Its smooth surface and minimalist design provide the perfect contrast to the room's raw, industrial elements, offering a spot for everything from your morning coffee to your favorite books. The side table next to the sofa follows the same sleek design, adding functionality without overwhelming the space. Both pieces complement the room's aesthetic, adding that modern touch while keeping the overall look cohesive. This one is worth $35.99. And let's not forget about the TV console. Instead of the usual wood or glass, this one is made entirely of metal, giving the room a strong industrial feel. It's not just a place for your TV, it's a design statement that adds texture and depth to the room. The clean lines of the console keep the space looking modern and uncluttered, while its metal finish ties in perfectly with the other industrial elements. And those wooden open shelves? They're not just functional. They add height and interest to the space, drawing your eyes upward and making the room feel even more spacious. The minimalist decor on the shelves, simple candle lantern, a few books, and some industrial-style sculptures keeps the look clean and uncluttered, so nothing competes with the room's bold architecture. And see that large metallic painting above the sofa? It enhances the raw, rugged, and unfinished aesthetic that defines this style. And don't overlook the lighting. The black metal floor lamp with an adjustable arm not only provides light where you need it, but also adds a sculptural element to the room. This one is worth $64.99. If you're thinking about how to bring this style into your living room, start with a neutral base, add in some key industrial pieces, and then layer in comfort with soft textiles and thoughtful lighting. Let's take another look at how industrial interior design truly shines in these living rooms. Now let's move into the kitchen, a space where industrial interior design truly excels. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and this design style brings a sense of functionality and flair that's hard to beat. Take a look at this kitchen. The first thing that probably catches your eye is the stunning mix of materials. The concrete walls immediately set the tone for that industrial vibe, but it's the wooden cabinets that warm up the space, making it feel both modern and welcoming. Pay attention to the open shelving. This isn't just for show. It's a practical way to keep your kitchen essentials within reach, while also displaying some of your favorite items. The shelves are supported by sleek metal pipes, which tie into the industrial theme seamlessly. You might notice that the shelves aren't overcrowded, just a few well-placed dishes, some plants, and a few pieces of pottery. This keeps the look clean and uncluttered, making your kitchen feel organized and stylish. The kitchen island is another focal point. It is made of natural wood and black marble top. It's not just a place to prepare food, it's also a social hub where you can gather with family and friends. The industrial-style pendant lights hanging above the island aren't just for lighting. They're also a design feature that brings the whole room together. Their metallic finish adds a bit of shine, and reflects the light beautifully, making the space feel bright and airy. This one is worth $59.99. If you're thinking about updating your kitchen, consider incorporating some of these elements. Stainless steel appliances, concrete, and open shelving can transform your kitchen into a functional yet stylish space that you'll love spending time in. Let's take another look at how industrial interior design truly shines in these kitchens. Finally, let's head to the bedroom, the place where you unwind at the end of the day. You might think that industrial design is too harsh for a bedroom, but with the right touches, it can be incredibly cozy and inviting. Take a look at this bedroom, for example. The concrete walls create a backdrop that's both simple and sophisticated, allowing the other elements of the room to stand out. The bed's soft bedding and textiles balance out the industrial elements. Imagine sinking into that bed surrounded by soft, cozy pillows. This is what makes the space feel like a true retreat. The decor is kept minimal, but every piece has been carefully chosen to add to the overall look. The black and white artwork above the bed ties in with the monochromatic theme, while the industrial-style lighting adds both form and function. The bedside tables are a mix of reclaimed wood and metal, adding texture and warmth to the space. And let's not forget the plants. The greenery adds a fresh, organic touch that contrasts beautifully with the concrete and metal. If you're looking to bring this style into your bedroom, remember to balance the industrial elements with softer touches. Choose simple, high-quality textiles, add some well-chosen decor pieces, and don't be afraid to bring in some greenery to make the space feel alive. Let's take the final look at how industrial interior design truly shines in these bedrooms. So there you have it, industrial interior design in the living room, kitchen, and bedroom. It's a style that's all about mixing the raw with the refined, the old with the new. And the best part? It's totally adaptable to your own home. Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to update a room or two, these ideas can help you create a space that's stylish, comfortable, and uniquely yours. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more interior design ideas. And let me know in the comments, how do you plan to incorporate industrial design into your home? I'd love to hear your ideas.